We are here at TBB's office. Next to me is Mr. Zek, the company CEO, and our client. We are discussing the project and equipment supply. I am also trying to negotiate the best possible discount for our client. Now we move to inspect the poultry house. First, the exterior, then inside. The control box ensures biosecurity and proper access. Even the CEO enters wearing a disinfection suit. Here is the automatic disinfection system, which protects the birds and maintains hygiene in the poultry house. Inside, we use a layer cage system for hens. The front section includes an egg conveyor for easy collection. Side climate control systems maintain stable temperature and ventilation for the birds. Now let's look at the poultry house automation. The engineer starts the system from the control box. Cooling panels open and close. Ventilation is automatically adjusted. The manure line and automatic feed system ensure comfort and proper care of the birds. All processes are centrally controlled, increasing the farm's efficiency. Overall, this poultry farm with TBB equipment and modern automation is a smart, efficient, and profitable solution for industrial poultry farming. Subscribe to the channel, like, and stay tuned for more videos.